Hello, everybody. I'm sorry, we've lost the sound. I think I've messed up again. So I'm going to have to do a bit of a voiceover on this one. Um, anyway, welcome to the workshop. What we're going to do is put the Benelli engine back together again. So I'll tell you what I've done. It's the crank's all been sorted, checked, new seals. All the gearbox has been done with new seals and everything. So hopefully that's going to be okay. And everything's all sort of ready to go. So I'm going to get things ready and see how we go. Top horse all nice and clean. It's not too bad actually. Uh, Barrels have been done, even the studs have all been cleaned, ready to go. Speedo drive all cleaned and ready to go. Anybody that does voiceovers, I think they're all right because I'm struggling. I've got that to make anyway, whether it works or not, I don't know. Anyway, swiftly moving on. Yeah, see, I even got a pattern. Even Boris the Spider's here today. Right, this is. I'll get ready to put the 3 bond on. This is what I use, 3 bond. I like it, it's very good. Other stuff is available, but I like that stuff. I've no idea what I'm talking about. Rightio, I'm going to get the old 3 bond on now. So as I've speeded it up, it should be over quite quickly, this. I do like this little palette knife, it really works quite well. Look, in no time at all, how quick am I? Speedy Gonzales. I do apologise about me mixing up the sound again, but yeah, there you go. Sorted. Anyway, there you go. Speed that up no end. So, clean the top off. The top's always a pain in the neck. You don't clean it properly, it dries up. It's very good the next time. Make sure my little palette knife's all nice and clean. They are all lovely. Perfect. Nice and flexible. Do like that thing. I think I picked it up at some shop somewhere. Before I was on the way on holiday. I use a bit of Loctite on the bearings, not much, just a little drop, just to stop them spinning. They shouldn't spin anyway, but so it was a good idea, in my opinion. Probably other people say, but there you go. It's up to them. Okay. Happy days. Always a bit of a fiddly little job, this. I always feel like you need an extra pair of hands. It'll go down in a minute. You do have to remember to use the kickstart to wind the kickstart on to allow the cases to go together. There we go. There's a little notchy thing at the back of the engine. Right, yeah, I'm just going to whiz this on along a bit. All new washers, get it all nipped up, snipping that down a little bit. Make sure it's down a little bit. That'll be pretty good. Just checking what the torque settings are. Damn thing, it's can't really see it very well. You can if you look really hard. But get the right bit of kit with it. All the messing about. Torque it all down. Check what the little ones are. Should know this by heart by now, but when you get old, you forget. Turn it over. Let's do those. Brilliant. It's got it sorted. Yeah, happy days. Give it a bit of an oil. Gasket on. For the rub out drive. Bit of the old 3 bong. Yeah, looking good. Gasket on. Speedo drive. Screw it down. Get the right screwdriver. Whiz them down nice and steady. Good to go. Brilliant. All done. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I've just got back from picking up the powder coated stuff. Still having trouble with the sound. Yeah, ultimate finish in Lincoln. Absolutely top drawer job they did for me. Really, really happy. So if you need any stuff doing, have a word with Andy and he'll help you out. If you can't read all that bit at the bottom and you do want to know who they are, give us a message and I'll sort it out for you. No problem at all. Really, really happy with the stuff they've done for me. Um, have a look at this stuff. Headlight. I mean, you saw the quality of the frame and everything, so you can tell this is going to be mine. Absolutely spot on. Beautiful job. Okay. And thanks, Andy and you boys, for doing that for me. So, yeah, when on my green Benelli, the uh, headlight brackets are chrome. These ones were black. Now, whether they've been redone or not, some of the time I don't know. But yeah, I mean, it's very, very nice. Absolutely spot on. Really, really nice stuff. Oh, yeah, there's the same one with that. Oh, these are the footrests. Uh, all the bits I've got to take the first time. Uh, should have spent a little bit more time looking through all the parts, but I didn't. Even the little bits, as you see there, he puts a bit of rolled up paper inside. You can actually see it or not. Yeah, look, there you go. He actually puts rolled up paper in the end so the powder coat doesn't get stuck inside. So nice touch. Do you know what I mean? Really, really nice touch. Don't know whether anybody else does it or not, but he certainly does. So get rid of those, keep those bits because the chances are I'm going to need them um, again soon. I've just posted off today all the chrome stuff, so that's all gone for chroming. So hopefully that'll be back before I get back off me holidays. Uh, this is a short seat. Um, it needs a little bit of messing around, but it's a little short seat. It was in really, really bad condition, but it's cleaned up quite well. I'm going to take it to a guy in Lincoln and get that recovered. So yeah, look at that, lovely job. So it looked really nice underneath. Very happy. It got to be a short seat because we've got a top box on it. Going to be putting on it now and again because Sue won't go on the bike without something behind her. It doesn't feel like she wants to fall off the bike, and I can't blame her. I wouldn't do either. I have no idea what I'm trying to ring at now, but yeah. So yeah, ultimate finish. You need them, give us a shout, and I'll put you in touch. Yeah, I think we're going to call it quits on this video today. I've messed up enough. So just show you, look, barrels are on, pistons in, all looking sweet. Did all that. I was having trouble with videoing and what have you. So happy days. Got a clutch to put in, but I'll do that. There's a clutch, brand new one. And to be fair, I really do need to clean up. The place is looking like a right tip. There's stuff absolutely everywhere, and I don't like working in these conditions. But hey, there you go.
Rightio, folks, we've had a good day. Time for a biscuit, and so we'll finish the day. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Don't forget, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It helps us a lot. Thanks a lot. Bye. Say bye, Susie.
Bye, Susie.